guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah with Hello Muffin. This is going to be my unboxing video for my second box of Erin Condren stuff. I purchased some accessories and a few dashboards that I got after the fact. I'm just going to go through them real quick and show you guys. Recording this audio after the fact. My video camera wasn't really working, so have to deal with it as it is. So the first thing I got was the pack of double-ended markers in the pastel. I really like the case. It's nice and solid feeling, and I like how the markers are set in it. I got a second Halloween cover. I didn't get it personalized. I didn't really get many of these personalized. Actually, I think I got none of them personalized. I don't even remember. I got the Wicked Fun, the pumpkins. I really like the pastel colors. I was planning on using that in November. Okay. So I did get one personalized. No, I got two. Okay, so this one I got with my name. I love the gold foiling, or I think it's rose gold. The succulents are so beautiful. I love this cover so much, and I can't wait to use it. I'm planning on using it probably as soon as the holidays are all over. So not until 2019. The cover underneath, I got in Hufflepuff colors. That is my Hogwarts house. I got the words Mischief Manage put on top. I really like this cover. It's so cute, and I'm totally planning on using it as soon as possible. So now I'm going to get into a few of the dashboards that I purchased. I got the What to Eat dashboard. I really wanted the color block one that was on the website in the category header. It had like the whole day was covered in like a block of color, but I don't think they offer that one anymore. This was the only one I could find. I do really like the foiling on the lettering and the setup. I just prefer the colors of the other one, but this one's great too, and it'll totally work for what I need it for. The next dashboard that I got was the wellness dashboard. This was a lot smaller than I thought it would be. The spaces for you to write like every day are kind of tiny. And on the back of this dashboard is a heart rate tracker, and you'll see later on the back of the monthly bill tracker dashboard, there's kind of like a dot grid where you can track your savings. I kind of wish that they had done that on the back of this wellness log. You'd be able to track your, calories for the day or your weight loss over time, but instead you're kind of stuck with this target heart rate grid, which is great to understand and have, but in the information age that we're kind of in, I can look this up on my phone really anytime that I need to. I don't really need it to be on the back of this dashboard. I'd much prefer to have like a surface that I could use. I will definitely use this board, but I just wish it had been a titch more functional. You'll see on this one, when I flip it over, what I'm talking about. The grocery list dashboard is also there. That one was super fun with the foiling, which I'll get to in a second. Right there, you can see the savings tracker grid. It has like a spot for you to like write what you're saving and then do like a little bar graph, and you can do like a bunch of different bar graphs, which seems really useful and functional. And you could use like the bottom for the dates, and then you could track your weight, and then right here I'm showing you the comparison. Like, I wish that this had been on that first one. Like you could have done kind of like a dot line grid with like your weight loss or some other health thing that you were tracking, but I feel like it was just kind of a lost opportunity there. So now I'm getting into the grocery list dashboard. Again, you have that really beautiful foiling on the top, and I like the different categories that they had in here, the different groceries that you can buy, and you can just check them off as you get them. And then I love how it's blank on the back, so you could just like jot little notes or anything else. But that's going to be everything, and I will see you guys next week. Subscribe if you'd like more content. Bye!